Hey guys, Paul and Ryan from PA Outdoors Couple. We're here at Poe Valley State Park and we're gonna go into the Poe Valley Tunnel. Check it out. Here it is. Cool rocks on the other side. There's like a lot. There definitely is rattlesnake activity and stuff like that in these areas, which is to me really freaking cool. Some pretty high class cabins and stuff, and you know, a lot of humans, but right now it's 4th of July weekend and not too amazingly crazy at all. So here we go into the tunnel. There's some rhododendrons up there. That's a mountain laurel still?
I can't tell from here. Yeah, like rhododendron.
Oh, it's still rhododendrons.
Around.
Yeah, rhododendrons. There's a little, I didn't post it yet, but we have a little quick for that. Oh, it's like, it's hard to see. Like a flat top to this bridge that's kind of have stuff falling onto it over the years. We just went to the Poe Paddy Tunnel, which was really cool. These rhododendron, they have much longer leaves. The flowers are pretty high, but they have a much broader flower. They open up. The mountain laurel have a very smaller leaf, and they have a very tight, almost umbrella-like flower when they bloom. It's very pretty. And here it
see some light around the corner
is.
to the left.
Yes. Camera picks up the light way better than my eyes do.
Look, this is a nice floor.
It's a nice floor and it's a nice walking tunnel.
Hello.
Woo! Cool.
That's clean.
Nice clean tunnel.
Corrugated metal.
Yeah.
Concrete floor. Drainage on the side.
Not as picturesque as the Poe Paddy we just went into.
Any of the others.
This is a very utilitarian tunnel, and it made it to an awesome walking path.
Yeah, so it's a bike and walking path. That's why it's finished.
Yep. Well, and there's a longer trail if you go from the Laurelton side. We came from around the Coburn side, so it's a little shorter to get to the tunnel.
It's sweaty in here.
Poe Valley State Park. Yeah, it's very damp in here.
The walls are wet.
Mm-hmm. Here we are, full walkthrough.
I like this time. I like these.
I like these a lot. That's nice. All right, let's get a picture from the other side. Here we go. Little vent on top. Keystone. Very nice. All right. And we're going to say goodbye. Paul and Ryan.
Get outdoors.
Get outdoors. Where are we at?
No, we're not.
Outdoors
We're outdoors couple.
Bye-bye.